Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about parabola. Do you know what's the shape of a dish satellite called? A dish satellite is a parabolic in shape. It's made of this type of a curve. We can find many such examples of parabolic surfaces in our daily lives. One of them is the mirror used in a flashlight. It's also made of this type of a curve. Let's consider one of all these curves. Such a curve is called a parabola. In this video, we will understand what exactly is parabola. We can see that a parabola looks like a U-shaped curve, but every U-shaped curve is not a parabola. A parabolic curve has specific properties that makes it a parabola. Let us begin with understanding why a disk satellite or a mirror in the torch is parabolic in shape. In the case of this satellite, due to the parabolic shape, all the incoming signals falling on the dish are reflected towards a single point. This is where the receiver is placed. The parabolic shape helps in concentrating all the signals at a single point. Such a point for parabola is called the focus, and every parabola has a focus point. And this is what makes a parabola so useful. For example, in the case of torch, a bulb is placed at the focus of the parabolic mirror. We know that the light emitted by the bulb spreads in all directions, but due to the parabolic mirror, the light emitted in this direction is reflected in the forward direction. So we see that a parabola is a U-shaped curve related to which there is a special point called its focus. A focus point of a parabola is similar to the center of a circle, and so in the case of a circle, a parabola is actually defined using its focus point. Take a point on a plane and name it as F. Also, let's take a straight line and name it as L. We will now consider points which are equal distance from F and the line L. Consider P1 to be one such point. P1 will be at an equal distance from F and line L. Consider another such point P2. Its distance from point F will be equal to its distance from line L. Another obvious point is the midpoint of the perpendicular segment joining F and L. All such points that satisfy this condition will lie on this curve, and such a curve is called a parabola. So how do we define a parabola? We see that a parabola is the set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point F and a fixed line L. The point F is called the focus of the parabola, and line L is called its directrix. Notice that the shape and the position of the parabola will depend on the position of the point F and line L. In this parabola, let's draw a line that passes through the focus and perpendicular to the directrix. Notice that the part of parabola above the line is the mirror image of part below this line. That is, the parabola is symmetric about this line. This line for a parabola is called as its axis, and the point where the parabola intersects the axis is called its directrix. Note the distance from the directrix is same as distance from the focus. Now, can you tell me what will be the axis and the vertex of these two parabolas? For this parabola, this line will be its axis and the point will be its vertex. Similarly, for this parabola, this will be its axis and this will be its vertex. So in this video, we saw what a parabola is. So parabola is a collection of points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point and a fixed line in the plane. In the upcoming video, we'll be talking about equation of a parabola. So please subscribe, share, and click the notification icon. Thank you.